guys, Vaughn is here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an intro for your YouTube videos 2018 guys. It's literally so easy, it's not even hard, and stay tuned at the end of the video because I have a little advice I want to say for people. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna go straight into the video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and now we're telling.
Alright guys, so what you want to do is you want to click the link in the description, then you want to look for your intro, and I'm just going to look for a simple one. I don't really want a hard one because the 3D ones are usually hard. So you want to click open in Clip Master, and you want to wait for it to load. Hopefully it can load, because some of them, like, they don't really load that fast, so that's the thing. Alright, so there it goes. Then what you want to do is you want to click the cube, then you want to go and find the text. So once you find text, it should say name, and then you put your YouTube name instead of that name. So you erase it and then you put your YouTube name. Then you just, every time it says text, you want to put your YouTube name. So I'm going to keep doing that until I have all of the text. Alright, so once you feel like you're ready, you can change the font and everything. It doesn't have to be custom, it can be anything. Once you feel like you like your text, you want to click the I, and then you want to click play. Now, if you don't really like the text, you can change it. Like, for example, I don't like that text, so you're gonna have to go back and like make it bold font for everything, because I don't like it. It just doesn't look cool. It's the custom. But you can try now, see, and it looks way better like that. And the reason why you guys can't hear the audio is because this screen recorder, it doesn't allow you to hear the audio. You have to pay for it, which I think is retarded. But yeah, so that's how you make an intro. There's a bunch of templates, literally guys. There's a link in the description. There's literally a Fortnite template. There's so many templates that you can use, guys. You guys are so welcome. If you guys want more videos like this, just please comment down below, and can we at least get this? I'm gonna try to get this video to 1K. If we guys, if we can hit 1K, that'd be great. And there's the Fortnite template. But yeah, so let's get this video to 1K. That's it for this video. Just if you guys want more videos, just comment down below saying I want more tutorials or something along the lines of tutorials, and I will give you guys what you guys want. And by the way guys, before I even stop this video, I'd like to say good luck to Hyperflame, because his channel is about to get deleted. So you know, it's one of my good friends, so you know, his channel is about to get deleted. He has to restart one because of this hacker. So if you guys can just, as soon as he makes his channel, I'm gonna drop the link in the description, and then you guys can all just go over there and subscribe to him, because it's gonna be hard getting all your subscribers back. But yeah guys, so this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, comment down below. See you guys later, and peace. Goodbye.